Hello and welcome. Our topic for today is using the angles in a polygon to identify the polygon. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. The first one says, find the name for the convex polygon with interior angles that sum to 900. We'll be using two formulas depending on the question to find out the polygon. The first formula says sum of the interior angles is equal to parentheses n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees, where n will give us the sides of the polygon. This number of sides will decide what the polygon is. Now another formula is that each angle of a regular polygon is given by the formula n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So we'll see how these two formulas are used in the questions. Now the first question says find the name of the convex polygon with the interior angles that sum to 900. Here we are given the sum of angles, so we'll use the first formula, that is sum of the interior angles. So we write n minus 2 multiplied by 180 equals to 900, because in the question we are given that the sum of the interior angles is 900 degrees. So we divide by 180 on both sides. We have to find out the value of n. For that we start off with this. So n minus 2 equals to, this is 1, 900 divided by 180 equals to 5. To find out the value of n, we add 2 to both sides. Negative 2 plus 2 becomes 0. N equals to 5 plus 2, which is equals to 7. So the number of sides of the polygon is 7, and the name of the polygon which has 7 sides is called a heptagon. This can be seen in option A. Moving on to the next question. Find the name for the convex polygon with interior angles that sum to 360 degrees. So we'll use the formula, the first one, because the sum is given to us. That is n minus 2 times 180 equals to the total sum, that is given as 360 degrees. The first step is to divide by 180 on both sides. So this we are left with n minus 2. This becomes 1. 360 divided by 180 is a 2. So n minus 2 equals to 2. To find out the value of n, we add 2 to both sides. This becomes 0. N equals to 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4. Now the polygon will have 4 sides, and a polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. This can be seen in option D. Moving on to the next question. Find the name for the regular polygon with interior angles that are each 144. Here we are given the measure of one interior angle. So we'll use the second formula, that was each angle of a polygon is given by n minus 2 times 180 divided by n equals to each angle, that is 144 degrees in this case. So now for simplification, we'll do the cross multiplication like this. So this is 180 times n minus 2 equals to 144 times n. We'll apply the distributive property. So 180n minus 360 equals to 144n. First we'll move 360 to the other side by adding 360 to both sides. So here this becomes 0. 180n equals to 144n plus 360. We subtract 144n from both sides. This is 0. 36n equals to 360. To find out the value of n, we divide by 36 on both sides. this becomes 1. 360 divided by 36 is a 10. So n equals to 10. That is, the polygon will have 10 sides, and a polygon with 10 sides is called a decagon. I hope using the angles in polygons to identify the polygon is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.